Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wonolo app to debit card step by step clearly. Open the Wonolo app on your device. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the profile icon or your account icon. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. In the account settings menu, locate the withdrawal or earnings section. Select the withdraw option. You will see a summary of your available earnings. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Next, select your preferred withdrawal method, which in this case is a debit card. If you haven't previously linked a debit card, you will need to do so now. Enter your debit card details carefully. Make sure to double-check all the information you entered. After confirming the details, look for the option to proceed or confirm your withdrawal. Tap on that option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a confirmation notification about your withdrawal request. Check your email for any confirmation emails from Wonolo regarding your transaction. It may take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your debit card account. If you encounter any issues, return to the app and check the FAQ section for assistance. Alternatively, you can reach out to Wonolo's customer support for further help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.